Hey guys, today I would like to introduce you to the new model of the 146. It's a German passenger's car. It's an engine. It's a locomotive what is running on electricity, and it is the 88485. It is in white with one red stripe. And it's a model of a German intercity engine. Came out this year. Is looking very good. The printing of the shell is very good, like Märklin do it every time. So the locomotive is very good. There is just one problem with this one. I recognized this a few minutes ago when I did the German version. So one of the clutch springs is not so good, so I can't use one of them. It's this one. It's not so strong like you need it. But for me it's not a problem, because I will remove the clutch and I will do a fixed connection to with the passenger cars. Passenger cars is the next step. It's the wagon set 87298. It's with 4 passenger cars. It's intercity cars. Their new one, it's the IC2 2. But the only problem with this set is it's not like in the real world. In the real world, these trains are with 5 passenger cars. And I don't know why Märklin didn't do this with 5 cars. Yeah, that's one point really disappointed. The cars are looking very good. The printing is very good. I don't know anything about the running conditions, because it's the first time that I put them on the tracks. So I will see it in a few minutes. And as I told you before, in the original or in the real world, you have 5 cars. You have 1 control car and 4 normal passenger cars. So I get another set. There's just the normal car and the control car, because I shared this set with 2 friends of me, and they already got their cars. So now I will do the test drive. The first look is very good. The printing is good. I can't say anything about the running conditions, but this you will see in a few minutes, because now I will put the locomotive and the wagons on the track. Then I will do the test drive, and this is what I will show you next. Now I will show you what I was talking about before. The clutch spring in the locomotive is not strong enough. So you see, I try. I know it's working. Fantastic. Before, now you see it, the clutch of the locomotive goes down, and it's not possible to couple the wagon. If I turn the locomotive, it's working fine. So as I told before, this is not a problem. I will remove them when I do the when I put inside the decoder, and then it's okay. Now I do the rolling test. It's without the locomotive. They are running very good. They are running smooth. That's okay. The only thing is because of the control car. There you have the to take the power from the axis. There's the equipment inside, so it's a little bit more heavy than the other cars, but it's okay. It's just 5 cars, so I hope the locomotive can pull them. But this I will see when it is on my layout. So now we are on my test track. I did the first meters with the locomotive and the train in the German version just a few seconds ago. And now I will show you also the running condition of the train. So you can see it's not very fast. It's the old control panel of Märklin, and the engine is running very smooth, so it's okay. You got 2 red lights on the control car. You have 2 red lights on the end of the locomotive, and you got 3 white lights on the at the top of the locomotive. But the only problem is this light, because in the original one it's not allowed to do this, because it's not the end of the train, and if the locomotive lost the wagons and the red light is on, everybody thinks the train is complete and maybe gives the track free, and the next train can hit the forgotten passenger cars. So that's the reason why you have just 1 red light at the train. So the running conditions in the other direction, they are also good. You get 3 white lights. Also here 3 white lights and 2 red lights here. When I change it to digital, I remove the connection to this side, so this light is off, and then I get the normal signalization. So as you can see, it's running very good. But that's what I expected, because it's an engine with the new motor. It's the brushless motor, and I got only 1 locomotive with problems with the new motor. It was the 101. I didn't do the video in English, but there was a few things inside the locomotive what was not okay, and I did the quality control for Märklin, and was not so good. I wrote to the product manager of Märklin that there was a problem with the engine, and yeah, a few months later he answered me, and yeah. But after this, all the locomotives with the new engine, with the brushless motor, they are very good. I didn't get a problem with them. So for me, this is a very good set. It's a nice train like this. The only wrong thing from Märklin is that there's 1 wagon missing. So you have to buy a second set, and then you have maybe to share it with friends, or you have a few passenger cars more than you need. So now let's have a look inside. You can see the motor. That's the brushless motor. That's the contact for the light, and here it's the switch from the track to the catenary. Yeah, that's what you need. That's okay. Everything looks very good. You see the first running signs, so that's normal. So it's good work of the producer. Now this is the shell. This is also okay. As you can see, you have that's the contact from the catenary, and this is the light unit, like every time. The only thing is the contact from the basement of the locomotive was a little bit strong, so you have to open it very carefully. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you got a few informations about the train. For me, it's very good. It's a good train. The locomotive is very good. The wagons are very good, but the only thing is one car missing. Nobody knows why Märklin didn't put 5 wagons inside. So I had to buy 2 wagon sets to complete the train, and I have to share it with friends. And in my opinion, it was an easy way to do a set with 5 wagons instead of 4 wagons. And but who knows? Yeah. The only thing at the locomotive is the clutch spring. That's not very good. For me, it's not a big deal because I have a lot of this kind of springs, and I don't use this clutch because I will remove it and I will do the fixed connection between the locomotive and the wagons. So I don't need the spring. Yeah. So for me, it's a very good train. I like it. I hope you got a few informations, got a look inside, and yeah, if you have questions, let me know. So I wish you a nice Saturday evening, maybe Saturday afternoon, and a very good weekend. Take care. See you next time.